Hey guys, it's Maymay, and it's that time of the month again. It's time when we reveal our Scripture Stamp of the Month Club. Now, you may remember that I took a break from my birthday month stamps, which I was releasing the first of the month, and I brought up the thank you stamp, which was our regular club, and that was because I felt like we needed so many thank you stamps. But I'm back to birthday here, and I'm really excited about this one because you guys ask me all the time if I can do a birthday set that also is scripture or Bible based, or like what believers would say to each other on their birthday. I get requests for that all the time because you struggle finding those kinds of things. Well, we have done it this time. I'm in love with this set. I've been playing with it, and it reminds me a lot of the thank you set where I'm going to be able to leave this on my work surface all the time, and you are too. So check this one out. This one is called Birthday Blessings, and look how cool that birthday word is. Just wait till you see my samples. It's so cool. I love it. So there's birthday, and here's the word happy. And then I want to tell you what all of this says. You're going to love this, okay? Each day you are God's gift to me. This is the day which the Lord hath made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. Isn't that perfect for a birthday? How about this one? Hope this day is filled with blessings, joy, and peace. This one says, wishing you a lifetime of God's blessings. Wishing you all God's joy on this day. This one says, God bless me the day you were born. May God make this a day to remember, celebrating your special day and thanking God for you. And these two here say, blessings on your birthday, okay? And this one says, asking God to bless you on your special day. Oop, I got a glare for you there. So there's that one. And then you also get a little stack of presents and this candle. I thought you needed a little bit of some images to go with it. But this set is another one of those. You're just going to put it on your work surface and use it all year. So let me show you my samples. So this was super fun. Now you're going to notice the theme here. On my desk, I still have the leftovers from these papers that I cut to do my project last week. So I utilized them again because they were right here. So check this one out. Very simple. Just says happy birthday. And I used, this set is called, let me look at the name of it really fast. This one is the Balloon Builder, I think it's called. Let me see. 1 second. I'm sorry. I've lost it. No, Party Balloons. So this set is called Party Balloons. This is one of my sets as well. So we'll link that one below for you. But look at that. So there's the outside of the card. And this says celebrating your special day and thanking God for you. Isn't that cool? I love this one. Now let's show you a tag. So I haven't made a tag in a long time, but I thought this is a really good time to do that. So here I took the word happy and stamped it all over the white card. And then I just put birthday on a strip here. And this is paper pieced on that little stamped image. So I'll show you. See the little package, the stack of packages? I just paper pieced it so I could have the colors, and I love how that turned out. And then on the back, I added a little asking God to bless you on your special day. Isn't that cute? I love that. And then my last sample, but I love this one too. So I took the candle and I stamped it 8 times on paper and cut that out. And then I just ran that across the top of this little sentiment here that says birthday. So happy birthday. And then this is the day which the Lord hath made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. And then when you open it up, may God make this a day to remember. Isn't that so cool? I'm telling y'all, this is one of those sets we are never going to put away. How many times do you need to make a birthday card, and how many people can you make this for? I mean, everybody. There's something on here for everybody. And we did this word and the styling of this so it can be feminine or masculine. So it really feels it feels all the bases, okay? So I hope you guys love this one as much as I do. And you know what? I cannot wait to see what you do with it. There's no telling what you guys can do with this set. But if you would like to see what everyone does, or if you would like to share what you do, head to our website at maymaymadeit.com and share your projects on our customer gallery. Now, as you know, we do a $50 gift card giveaway every month. So there will be a winner in the description of this video from last month's contest. But in order to enter, all you do is make a project with this set and load a picture of your project onto our customer gallery, and that's your entry. So thanks so much for being a part of our stamp club. This one, I'm telling you, you're never going to put it up. You're going to use it all the time. It's a really good set, and I'm really proud of it. I think that we really got some really good sayings for anybody you might need to make a card for. So I hope you enjoyed this as much as we do. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.